In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So these programs teach you how to build an online business, how to build multiple streams of income, and things of that nature, everything you need to know about digital marketing. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine and a former monk, and I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I discovered this business after my company cut my pay in half, and I was just like sick of jobs because jobs never worked for me. I was never free from a job. I never got rich from a job, and I know that I never will get rich, and I know that I never will get free from a job. So I went online to figure out how to make money, and that's when I discovered this blueprint in early 2024. And I've gone on to make multiple 5 figures so far, and I'm learning so many high income skills that I've never even learned before growing up because I never learned sales or marketing or business growing up. Okay. So all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. Then you just got to set up your business, and then you plug into our community for training and support. Then you're following a simple 2-hour workday. Okay. So basically all you have to do every day is post content on social media. That's it. Now you can also go live. That's what I like to do. I like to post content on social media and go live. Okay. So you can start a brand new account. Even if you have no following, you don't need a following because we teach you how to grow your following from scratch. You start a brand new social media account and you just start posting content the way that we teach you how to do it. Okay. And that's basically it. And what you're doing is building your email list. And then once people are in your automations, they can buy from you at any time. So if you want to learn more, just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link is in my bio. Okay. Just put your email in and check, search all your folders for the word blueprint. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. Now I'm just going to share my screen with you. And I'm going to show you exactly like what this business looks like and how it works. Okay. So let me just share my screen real quick. Let me make sure that I got all the pages set up because I forgot to do that. So let me set up the pages so you go to the right place. Okay. So yeah, let me share my screen. And yes, here we go. Okay. So here's my YouTube channel, but let me show you what this business looks like, right? So this is what you get. This is you get to use all these pages. Like we give you the sales funnel. Okay. So what happens is like we give you these pages and these pages are out there working for you 24/7. Okay. So this is called the capture page. Like people are going to go here, they put their email in, and as soon as they put their email in, the whole email marketing sequence is activated. So they're going to get an email from you every single day for like the next 30 days. Okay. Even if you have no experience or tech skills or following, you can do this because we're going to teach you. You're going to learn how to do this. You're going to learn how to use a sales funnel. You're going to learn how to build your email list and so much more. Okay. So they put their email in and then they go here, they watch a video. This is my friend and mentor, Michelle. They watch a video from her. And then they go here. And there's another video that we sent out in people's emails. And then it takes them here ultimately. Okay. It takes them to your website, your sales page. So these 2 videos are doing the selling for you. Okay. These 2 videos are answering like 99% of people's questions for you. And then they go to your website. Okay. And here's the website. Unlock 10 streams of income today. Earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business, right? So you can earn $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again. Plus the business is in English and it's in Spanish. So if they go up here, if they speak Spanish, they can translate the page will automatically translate to Spanish. Okay, it translates to Spanish. Okay. So I've tried so many things, MLM, affiliate marketing, and I made nothing. Like those businesses didn't work for me. But I made multiple 5 figures with this because it's just like the presentation, everything, the quality of the product, everything about this is just so much better. And the training that you get is just so much better than anything that I've seen out there, right? Just what I've seen personally, So this is what the website looks like. How would an extra $1,400 a day change your life? We got another video from my friend and mentor, Michelle. There's 56,000 people in our community. We teach you how to, there's 56,000 members in our community, actually 57. And we made $29 million in sales in 10 months. So we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You keep 100% of the profit and you become a licensed reseller of the programs. Okay. And then it's in Spanish and in English. We teach you how to use AI. There's testimonies here. Okay. Here's your bio section. You just got to put your bio here. Like you just got to put your pictures here and then your bio. Okay. And then there's just other stuff. You can put your own pictures in. You see how I put my pictures in? I got my pictures of me everywhere. Like that's me on a cruise. That's me hanging out with people inside of our community, right? Okay. Here's me with Michelle. She does Millionaire mentoring inside of our community. So I'm hanging out with her because we do live events as well, right? So that's basically what the website looks like. This is your own done for you website. Okay. So people are going to go here and they're going to purchase one of the programs. $1,400, $900, 600, 300, or 500. So you have 5 income streams. Well, you got 10 income streams. You got 5 in English and 5 in Spanish, right? So they're going to purchase one of the programs, and there's also installment plans. So if you want to start this business, you also need to purchase one of the programs. Just like I also invested in this business, I invested $1,400 because that's the best one. And if you go with the $1,400 product, you get 10 income streams, and you can earn at every level, right? Now, let's say you start at the 100 level. Starting is better than not starting, but if you start at the 100 level, you can only earn $100 commissions. You see the difference? But you can always upgrade later. So you purchase a program, and then you pay $39 for your website, and then you're inside of the system, okay? And then you get all these bonuses. You get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. You get access to our community for free, where you get millionaire mentoring, daily millionaire mentoring, weekly live interactive mentoring from 6-figure income earners. You're going to learn how to create your own community if you want. You're going to learn how to create content with Canva. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, so you can build this business faceless. You get 200 digital product ideas, PDF workbook if you want to create your own offers and promote them. So we got 3 types of buyers. We're like, one type of buyer, it's like a business owner. They just want to learn how to attract more customers with digital marketing. The second type of buyer is someone who wants to create their own offer and market it. And the third type of buyer is someone who just wants to resell the programs, or maybe it's all 3, right? So you got 3 types of buyers. I basically promote this business to people that want to make money online, because the wealth industry is one of the most, popular industries. Wealth, health, you got the relationship industry, you got the wealth industry, and the health industry. So if you're going to build a business, you should probably build a business in one of those industries, right? Just makes sense. Then you got frequently asked questions. Okay, so that's basically what the website looks like. And you can just go to 7figuremonk.com and you can read through everything yourself, watch the videos. Okay. And yeah, so once you let's say you decide to start this business, after you purchase one of the programs, you're going to get access to your program, right? Let me just log in real quick because it logged me out. So you're going to have access to your program. And like I said, the program itself teaches you how to build an online business, teaches you digital marketing, how to build multiple streams of income. So you just go inside of the program and you watch the videos. Okay. And then phase 1, for example, foundation, CEO, mindset, and clarity, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. Okay. So you just go here and you just watch these videos, you take notes, you implement them into your business. Lifestyle, desired outcome, how to develop a winning mindset, your brand, what do you want to be known for? Like on the 7figuremonk.com, on the 7-Figure Monk, that's my brand. I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online. That's my brand. So you got to figure out what's your brand, what do you want to call yourself, and what is your $1 million message? What is your mission statement, right? My mission statement is I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online. So who do you want to help? We're going to teach you this. Who is your perfect customer, and then how to create a message that will connect with that customer. Okay, that's the kind of stuff you're going to learn and more. And then you have your certification. Oh, let me go back. You have your certification training. You have your bonuses. All your bonuses are here. See all your bonuses, your digital product ideas, your faceless marketing, all your bonuses are there as well. So this is a learning and earning program. You learn and you earn as you go, okay? Right, and it's digital products, so you don't have to worry about shipping. There's 0 monthly fees. You don't have to worry about shipping. It's great. Okay, so one of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? You got to set these pages up. So we show you how to set these pages up, right? So for example, you just go in, you go here, and you start setting up the pages, right? You got to set up your accounts. So we teach you how to use different accounts like System.io, PayPal, GoDaddy. Okay, we show you how to set those accounts up. You're going to need these accounts. Okay, you got to go to GoDaddy. This is where you get your domain. My domain is 7figuremonk.com. You get your email address. If you don't have one, you need a business email. You need a professional email. You need that for email marketing. Okay, so you go there, you do that. You got to set up your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square. You got to set up those. You got to connect them to your website. That's how you receive your payments. And then you just go through. You watch these videos. It's going to show you how to set up your whole system, and you can set it up in a few hours, or maybe it'll take you 1 day or 2 days. Basically, it took me a few hours, and you just got to set up your business one time. Then you're going to have all these pages out there working for you 24/7. Okay, that's that. Right now, let me show you inside of our community. So we have 2 communities. Here's my community. I just launched it. Right, it's brand new. So nobody's even in my community yet because it's brand new. I haven't really marketed it so much. I haven't really gotten the word out, but I will. But you get access to my community, okay, for free. So I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you build your business. Then you get access to our bigger community as well. So this community, this has 57,000 people in our community. And you just go here, you introduce yourself, just like you introduce yourself in my community. And you're also going to learn how to create communities like this if you want. Okay. I think it's a good idea. It's going to help you build your business faster. So like, let's go to the win section. Let's show you like people are making money. Okay. See, for example, let me show you proof that people are making money. People can post whatever they want to post, right? Like TikTok live, I go live and I have 100 and okay. So she's just talking about how she went live. Okay. She's talking about people can post whatever when they want to post. Okay. I just launched my own community because I just launched my own community. So I just posted that. That's my win. Let's see some money wins though. Okay. Saturday morning sale. I don't know how much she made. She didn't say, but she had a sale. Okay. She made $900 today. Just made $900 because we have 5 products, 100, 300, 600, 900 and 1400. Okay. So that's their $100 sale. There's another one, $100 sale. Okay. Look at, she made $900 sale, $1,500 in 2 days. So there's your proof. There you go. 900 bucks, $1,500 in 2 days, guys. Boom. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. I don't care who you are. That's a good chunk of dough. Unless you're like Jeff Bezos or something, then they don't care. But you know, for a normal, for like an everyday person like me and you, that's a lot of money, right? Of course, you know, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort. So don't be typical, right? And then if you go to the classroom, you get bonus trainings. We get all these bonus trainings. We do these 90-day runs. Okay. So we take you on these 90-day runs. You got these bonus trainings. And then we got, you know, all these different things. You can like, you know, social media training, you get content involved, you get mindset training, 6 figures in 6 months, all these trainings you get as a bonus. And then a calendar shows you when we have our live events. Okay. So we got Millionaire Mentoring every Monday. So you got your Millionaire Mentoring call, right? We got that. And yep. And that's it. That's the community. That's the business. So like I said, all you got to do is get started. Set up your business one time, okay? Plug into the community for training and support, and then you're just following a simple 2-hour workday. You're posting content online, you're attracting customers, and we show you how to do everything. So let me just give you an example, like of how I post content, just to give you some ideas, right? Like if you go to my YouTube channel, okay, I have these long videos, like videos that are generally over 10 minutes. I have videos like that, like 10-minute videos. Then I have my short videos. Like my shorts are usually like 3 minutes or less. I like to keep them around like a minute in general when I'm talking, like talking videos. Then I have like little videos like this, right? When I'm just like putting words on the screen, I have videos like that. And yeah, see, so I'm talking videos. Yeah. So that's it. Mostly like talking videos are like 7-second videos with words on the screen with trending audio. Okay. You can do faceless, whatever you want to do. And then I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So my lives are recorded here. And then, you know, I can create playlists and stuff like that. And yep. And then I do like these written posts with images. You can also do that. So that's pretty much how I create content. So yeah, get started, set up your business, plug into the community for training and support, follow the 2-hour workday, and that's it. All right. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know somebody who's trying to make money online, they've tried so many things and they failed before, they're dealing with financial stress, make sure you share this video with them. And yeah, if you want to get started, 7figuremonk.com. The link is in my bio. Okay. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless.